Our state of consciousness as we enter the world of the subconscious is significantly influenced by the mood we are in as we get ready to go to bed. A constant lover, our subconscious mind sees us exactly as we perceive ourselves to be. Before going to sleep, if we adopt and uphold the success consciousness by declaring, "I am successful," we will succeed. The secret is to feel as though we already had our wish by lying flat on our backs with our head level with our body. Then we may calmly unwind and go asleep. Sleep is the door through which the conscious waking mind travels to be creatively connected to the subconscious, because the subconscious mind never sleeps. It is constantly functioning. The creative deed is hidden by the subconscious mind while we are sleeping. It is only disclosed in the objective world. As our realized want is the one we are looking for, we should relax into oblivion as we get ready for bed and imagine ourselves in the state of the wish that has been granted. In order to bring that sensation with us into the chamber of the subconscious that gave us form at night, when we are lying in bed, we should look for the feeling of the wish being granted. Discovering and directing our desires into the subconscious is done in this manner. We should allow ourselves to enter the state of the fulfilled wish and then go to sleep quietly. We should pretend that we are experiencing all of the things that we want to acquire and see come to pass every single night. Never should we go asleep dejected or unhappy, nor should we doze off with failure on our minds. In its natural condition of sleep, our subconscious mind perceives us as we perceive ourselves to be, and whether that perception is positive, negative, or neutral, it will faithfully reflect it. We must let go of negative ideas and emotions and adopt a positive mindset in order to reach a state of consciousness that is favorable to realizing our desires. We enable our mind to be sensitive to positive affirmations when we let go of negative beliefs. Positive results can be visualized and acknowledged, and this strong mental and emotional condition can lead to countless opportunities. We offer our subconscious the chance to act on our behalf to manifest our desires when we concentrate on the good results. Being aware of our thoughts and emotions is essential for achieving a positive state of consciousness. We need to be conscious of how our thoughts and feelings affect our subconscious mind. If we persistently linger on negative ideas and emotions, we will be obstructing the flow of positive energy, and we will be less likely to attain our desired objective. Nevertheless, if we actively choose to focus on positive ideas and emotions, we will be creating a positive flow of energy that will open the door to unlimited possibilities. Our consciousness is not restricted by time or place. It indicates that we have the power to envision and experience states that are beyond what we have encountered in the past. We are not limited by our past experiences, and we have the capacity to change our future by changing our thoughts and beliefs. This is the fundamental principle of manifestation. When we envision and assume the sense of a certain reality, we are planting a seed in our subconscious mind. This seed matures and manifests into concrete reality. Consequently, it is necessary to continuously think and expect the best. If we limit ourselves based on our prior experiences, we are ultimately inhibiting our own capacity for growth and progress. The world around us is a reflection of our own awareness. If we regard the world as a negative and limited place, that is exactly what we will experience. Nevertheless, if we adjust our perception and perceive the world as a place of richness and opportunity, that is what we will feel. Shifting our perception is not always easy. It challenges us to let go of outdated beliefs and cognitive habits that no longer benefit us. But by doing so, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. Simply being conscious of our ideas and considering if they are limiting or empowering us is a good place to start. Outside is like the inside. Your beliefs are reflected in how you see the world and the people who live in it. You will encounter kindness and generosity from others if you have this belief. You will encounter selfishness and cruelty if you think that is how people are. As a result, you need to be aware of your own worldview and assumptions and attempt to change it if it isn't in line with the reality you want to experience. Always keep in mind that you are the only person who has the power to alter a situation or an issue. When it comes to making the change inside of yourself, you have neither an ally nor an enemy. The results will come to support your belief once you have persuaded yourself that the reality you want to manifest is true. It's crucial to remember that you should never tell someone else the reality you want them to experience, since doing so would signal that you doubt the strength of your own consciousness. You must put all of your attention on adopting the sensation of the reality you want and have faith that the subconscious will bring it about. Your mental state as you approach your everlasting lover, the subconscious, during sleep is determined by how you feel. Knowing that the subconscious never sleeps and will faithfully represent your belief, you must adopt the sensation of the reality you want to experience and let yourself drift off into oblivion. You are a dreamer who never stops dreaming, and your dreams come true as you experience reality. You must continually strive for the best and not set yourself back because of past failures. Your understanding of the world and the people that inhabit it is a reflection of your own beliefs, as within so without. The results will come to support your belief after you convince yourself of the world you want. This is the last point. The only person you can alter is yourself. It's critical to comprehend the power of the subconscious mind in order to completely understand the subject discussed in this article. The subconscious is the area of the mind where memories, beliefs, and habits are stored, as well as autonomic processes like breathing and pulse. It is also the area of the mind that can be taught to produce particular results in life. The text emphasizes how crucial it is to believe that one's request has been granted in order to bring about their desired outcomes. As a result, one must behave and believe that the intended result has already been attained. By doing this, the mind is trained to concentrate on the outcome rather than the current situation or any potential hurdles. The literature also stresses how important one's disposition before going to bed is in determining their level of consciousness. This implies that the subconscious mind's programming can be influenced by the ideas and emotions a person has just before going to sleep. In order to avoid feeling discouraged or unsatisfied before going to bed, it's vital to assume a sense of success and happiness. It's significant to notice that the book also emphasizes how one's thoughts have the power to shape their reality. If we want to see change in the world, we must first alter our own thoughts and perceptions, since the world is a reflection of how we feel on the inside. We can build a new reality for ourselves by visualizing conditions that go beyond our previous experiences and expecting the best. The text does concede that it is not always simple to change one's ideas, though. To persuade oneself that a desired situation is actually genuine, one must work hard and be persistent. But once one has fully persuaded oneself, the outcomes will follow to support their entrenched opinion. It's also critical to understand that one cannot directly influence other people or outside factors. One should instead concentrate on altering their own preconceptions and assumptions about those individuals and circumstances. By accepting the idea that other people are already what we want them to be, we may start to see them from a different perspective and build a new reality for our interactions and relationships. In summary, this book conveys a potent message about the mind's ability to shape reality and the value of projecting feelings of fulfillment. Positive assumptions and beliefs can be used to rewire the subconscious mind, changing both our reality and the reality of others around us. Although it requires work and perseverance, the outcomes are certainly worth it. In order to create the reality we want, let's all start to picture states that are different from our past experiences, assume success and contentment, and have faith in the power of our own imaginations. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was both interesting and enjoyable for you. If so, kindly click like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. To ensure that you never miss a video, don't forget to press the notification bell. Please feel free to post any questions or comments in the section below. I always like hearing from you, and I'll try to get back to everyone.